ഡിവൈസസും അതിലെ എനർജി ചേഞ്ചസുമാണ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇലക്ട്രിക് ബൾബിൽ ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ എനർജി ഈസ് converted into light energy. Induction cooker, electrical energy to heat energy. Storage battery while charging, electrical energy to chemical energy. Mixie, electrical energy to mechanical energy. Soldering iron, electrical energy to heat energy. Electromagnet, electrical energy to magnetic energy. Electric motor, electrical energy to mechanical energy.
ഹീറ്റിംഗ് എഫക്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഇലക്ട്രിക് കറണ്ടിലെ പോർഷൻസ് നോക്കാം. ജൂൾ ഹീറ്റിംഗ് ഓർ ഓമിക് ഹീറ്റിംഗ്. ദ പ്രോസസ് ബൈ വിച്ച് ഹീറ്റ് ഈസ് ഡെവലപ്ഡ് ഇൻ എ സർക്യൂട്ട് ഓൺ പാസിംഗ് കറണ്ട് ത്രൂ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് ദ ജൂൾ ഹീറ്റിംഗ് ഓർ ഓമിക് ഹീറ്റിംഗ്. Joule's law. The heat generated in the current carrying conductor is directly proportional to the product of the square of the current in the conductor, the resistance of the conductor, and the time of flow of current. H is equal to I square RT. Factors influencing the heat developed when current passes through a conductor. Intensity of electric current I. When the current is doubled, heat becomes 4 times. When the current is halved, heat is reduced to 1/4. Resistance of the conductor R. When the resistance is doubled without any change in the current, then the heat produced is also doubled. But in normal case, when the resistance is doubled, current is reduced by half, so heat is also reduced to half. Time of flow of current T. When the time is doubled, heat is also doubled. Equations for solving the mathematical problems using Joule's law. H is equal to I square RT. H is equal to VIT. H is equal to V square T by R. R is equal to V by I. ഇവിടെ H is equal to heat. ഹീറ്റിൻ്റെ യൂണിറ്റ് ജൂൾ. J. I is current. യൂണിറ്റ് ആംപെയർ. A. V പൊട്ടൻഷ്യൽ ഡിഫറൻസ് അതായത് വോൾട്ടേജ്. യൂണിറ്റ് V. ടൈം T ആണ്, അതിൻ്റെ യൂണിറ്റ് S ആണ്, സെക്കൻഡിൻ്റെ S. R റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ്, യൂണിറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓം. Electric power. The amount of energy consumed by an electrical appliance in unit time is its power. Unit is watt W. Equations for solving mathematical problems. P is equal to H by T. P is equal to I square R. P is equal to VI. P is equal to V square by R. Factors influencing the power of an electrical device. Resistance R. When the resistance increases, power decreases. When the resistance is doubled, power is half. Voltage. When the voltage increases, power also increases. When the voltage is doubled, power becomes 4 times, and when the voltage is halved, power is reduced to 1/4. Electric heating appliances. Electric heating appliances are instruments that make use of the heating effect of electricity. Electric iron, soldering iron, electric heater, immersion heater, etc. Heating coil. The part in which electrical energy changes into heat energy is called the heating coil of an electrical heating appliances. Nichrome is used as the heating coil. Alloy of nickel, chromium and iron. Peculiarities of nichrome: high resistivity, high melting point, ability to remain in red hot condition for a long time without getting oxidized. Safety fuse. Safety fuse is a device which protects us and the appliances from the danger when an excess current flows through the circuit. Safety fuse is a device that works on the heating effect of electric current. Fuse wire, an alloy of tin and lead, is the main part of safety fuse. Fuse wire has low melting point. Circumstances that cause high electric current in a circuit. Overloading. A circuit is said to be overloaded if the total power of all the appliances connected to it is more than what the circuit can withstand. Short circuit. If the positive and the negative terminals of a battery or the two wires from the mains come into contact without the presence of a resistance in between, they are said to be short circuited. Working of a fuse. When the current that flows into the circuit exceeds the permissible limit, the heat generated becomes excessive. Because of its low melting point, the fuse wire melts and breaks the circuit. Precautions to be taken while connecting a fuse wire in a circuit. The ends of the fuse wire must be connected firmly at appropriate points. The fuse wire should not project out of the carrier base. Use fuse wire of appropriate amperage. Fuse wire is connected in series. Arrangement of resistors. Series connection. When a circuit is completed by connecting the resistors one after the other, it is called series connection, shown in the figure. Parallel connection. In parallel method, the ends of the resistors are commonly connected together at points A and B as shown in the figure. ടേബിളിൽ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് സീരീസ് കണക്ഷനും പാരലൽ കണക്ഷനുമുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്നാണ്. എഫക്റ്റീവ് റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഇൻ സീരീസ് കണക്ഷനിൽ ഇൻക്രീസിങ്, പാരലൽ കണക്ഷനിൽ ഡിക്രീസിങ്. കറണ്ട് ഈസ് സെയിം ഫോർ ഓൾ റെസിസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് ഇൻ സീരീസ് കണക്ഷൻ. In parallel connection, current is different for each resistor. More current is flowing through the resistor with a low resistance and less current is flowing through the resistor having high resistance. Voltage. In series connection, voltage is different for each resistor. Resistors having high resistance gets more voltage and low resistance gets less voltage. In parallel connection, voltage is same for all resistors. That's supply voltage. Then equations for calculating the effective resistance for series connection. R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. In parallel connection, 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. When the bulbs are connected in the circuit, in series connection, bulbs of less power glows with more brightness, and in parallel connection, bulbs of more power glows with more brightness. Lighting effect of electric current. Incandescent lamps. In normal voltages, the filament becomes white hot and gives out light. Such bulbs are the incandescent lamps, glowing with heat. Filament is made with a metal tungsten. Properties of tungsten: high resistivity, high melting point, high ductility, ability to emit white light in the white hot condition. To avoid the oxidation of the filament, bulb is evacuated. Vaporization of the filament can be reduced by filling the bulb with inert gas or nitrogen at low pressure. Drawback: a major part of the electrical energy supplied to an incandescent lamp is lost as heat, hence the efficiency of these devices is less.